wonder if you're wondering the same thing as me, is what day is Labor Day this year or any year? Here's the formula to figure it out, because Labor Day is the first Monday of September. Every year it's different, and every year we have to figure it out, right? So if you have like a dashboard or you want to actually just automatically figure this out, here's the formula to do it. But I'm going to walk through this formula right now, step by step. Essentially, we have a few interesting formulas that are going to help us out. One, we have equals today, and that's just today's date. But from this today's date, we can get the year. And if we wrap year around today, we're always going to get whatever year it is. This actually says 7/16 because this has been turned into a date. I'm going to change that to automatic and show you here, 2024. So this allows us to automatically know what year it is no matter what. Every day that's going to turn over and we're going to get the year. That's really cool because we can say, hey, this is the year of today instead of typing in 2024. Another interesting formula that we can do is we can use date. And date allows us to literally type in the year, which is year today, wrapped if we want to do it automatically. The month, that's September, and the day, 1. And the return of this is literally that date. But as you can tell, today and year is always going to change. So we're always going to get September 1st here if we type in this date. Labor Day is the first Monday. So how do we check if this is a Monday? We can use the weekday formula. And weekday, if we use the 1 option, will return 1 if it's a Sunday, or it will return 2 if it's a Monday. So let's look at some dates here. So I'm going to put the date here and look at a few. So let's look at 2 and the 3rd, and we'll wrap this with week. And that is 1 weekday around this one, and that's 2. Now, this is a Sunday, and 2 is a Monday. So let's say the answer is 2. Of any year, the 1st of September is a 2. That means it's a Monday, so we're going to put that in. But let's consider that every year it's going to be a different number. So we need to account for all of these different numbers. I'm going to use the switch formula and just find out what is this weekday of September 1st. And switch allows me, if we can look at the help here, I can put in different cases. So you might start thinking, oh, let's create an if it's Monday, do something. If it's not Monday, do something else. But that only gives you 2 options. Switch allows you to have every single option accounted for that we know we're going to get, because we're just going to get the number 1 through 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. And so in the case of 1, if it's a Sunday, we want this date to be 2, because if the 1st is a Sunday, then the Labor Day is actually the Monday, the next Monday after. If it's a 2, then that is Monday, and we just want that date. So let's end it there for one moment and see if this is correct, because right now it's 2024, and Labor Day is actually on the 2nd. So let's see if this works out. We're going to format this number as a date. There it is. That's the 2nd of September, 2024. That is Labor Day. And if we change this year to 2025 and change this year to 2025 and this year to 2025, we'll see it's the 1st. So in 2025, Labor Day is the 1st of September. So we can undo that. And now we have to account for any other number. So 1, we just say it's a 2nd. If it's 3, if it's 3, we're going to say it is 6 days away, I think. Yeah, so it will be September 7th, right? So if the answer is a 3, that means September 1st is a Tuesday. So it's the next Monday will be Labor Day. And now we just need to delete or iterate this number down 1 each time. So if it's a 4, it will be the 6th. If it's a 5, it'll be the 5th. If it's a 4, it'll be the 3rd. Sorry, 4th. Oh, sorry. If it's number 6, 4, 5, 6, it'll be the 4th. If it's a 7, it'll be the 3rd, right? So it'll be the next Monday. So all of this allows you to find out this year what day is Labor Day. There you go. So we're having the switch. Just to review, we have a switch using weekday to know what day of the week is September 1st. Then we're saying, let's take into account each of these different operations. Is it the 1st? Is it 2, 1, 2, 3, 4? In each case, we're going to get the date that it is the proper date for Labor Day. There you go. So you can always test this out by replacing this year today by just some year that you want to test out, but that will automatically roll over each and every year, so you never have to figure out what day is Labor Day ever again. There it is. It's done.